Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. My today's video topic is garbage collection in Java. So garbage collection in Java is a process of which Java programs perform on automatic memory management. Java programs compile to bytecode and can run on Java virtual machine management. In JVM, for short, when a Java program to run on JVM, objects are created in heap memory, which is a portion of the memory dedicated of the program. In event actually is some objects are will no longer be needed to garbage collector in finds this unused object and deletes them from free of memory in garbage collection. So first let's discuss about what is garbage collection. In C++, Java programming is responsible both the creation and destruction of the object, is usually programmed to neglects and destruction of useless object, and due to the negligible at the creation of the point sufficient in memory may not be available, then create a new object and entire program will be terminate of abnormally casing in out of memory errors. But in Java, memory need to not care of the object which are no longer in use. Garbage collector destroys to the these objects, and main objective of the garbage collector is the free of memory by destroying unreachable objects. The garbage collector is the best example of daemon threads, and it is always running in background. How does garbage collection in Java works? Let's Java garbage collection is a automatic process of garbage collection is looking at heap memory, identifying which objects are used and which are not, and deleting the unused object as run use object. Is reference object means that some part of your program still maintains a pointer to the object. Unused object reference object is no longer referenced by the part of your program, so that memory used by the unreferenced object can be reclaimed, and the programmer does not need the make object be deleted explicitly. The garbage collection implement lies in the JVM. Types of activities in garbage collection. There are two types of garbage collection activity usually happen in Java. Minor incremental garbage collection and major incremental garbage collection. In minor garbage collection, it is said to have occurred in unreachable objects. The young generation of heap memory are removed. A major full garbage collection, it is said to have occurred when the object is that survived the major garbage collection are compiled into two old generation or fragment generation. Heap memory are removed in compared to the young generation. Garbage collection happens less frequently in the garbage collection. Important concepts of related to garbage collection in Java. Uncomfortable object. An uncomfortable object is said to the doesn't contain the concealed reference to the it also object which are part is solution are also unreachable. Thank you so much.